Hey, we got something that was sent to us to try out. And this is the first time for me doing this kind of stuff, but as you can tell, but I think this thing's going to be really handy. It's a 4-inch portable cordless electric chainsaw made by Saker. I like the rechargeable electric chainsaw. Easy to carry, strong dynamic system, lightweight and portable. It looks pretty cool, and with all the cutting that we do around here, I think this will be really really handy. Got ourselves some directions. Oh, nice. It even comes with a little chainsaw wheel. Charger. Oops. That's the actual little chainsaw. Boy, that looks like it's made real well, too. You know, it feels like there's something there to it. Get the battery and a little guy there. Well, heck, let's plug this in and see if it actually, without looking at the instruction manual, let's see if this thing will actually is charged up and we're ready to go. We'll go try it out. Pretty slick. Ooh. Oh, that thing looks like it means business. That is cool. Right out of the box. Well, let's see now. It says here, we don't want to cut wood that's more than 4 inches. Well, do not overpress the machine when cutting wood. When the machine is not used for a long time, please fully charge it and then store it. That's pretty... I mean, it's really nice and light. Here, let's go over here. I have some willow that's soaking in here. This was cut down this last spring, but let's just give it a try here. That cuts fine. Pretty well, actually. There's nothing wrong with that at all. That has like a lot of get up and go to it. I'm getting ready for soaking willow, so I have to devise some system to keep the willow down, and I was going to use this old willow to make those supports, but let's go take this over here and see if we can get in trouble a little bit more with this. I have a little mulberry tree here that keeps coming back, and this is what we do a lot. We do a lot of coppicing. Now this one I cut because I don't really want it here because I have other trees coming. But oh, isn't that nice? I sucked more leaves through it. Boy, that is... Let's see if we might have a little better view here. Nothing wrong with that at all. Oh, I'm excited. I guess I knew this would be handy. But holy cow, this kind of opens up a whole new, mostly I'm doing this stuff but with my hand tools and my trimmer. Sorry, just cleaning up here. Let's see if we can't get in there and get this down. Boy, there is nothing wrong with that at all. That's pretty slick. Now, let's see if we can't get in here. Oh, yeah. Look at this cut. I mean, nice cut. Let's finish this job out here. It's nice to have a little that safety feature there. It's pretty easy to click in. I would say this is going to be handy as heck. As long as I can boy, as long as I can keep it charged. It'll be interesting to see how long this charge goes for. But yeah. Well, let's make some short work of this. Gonna clean that up a bit. And then I went and got it stuck. Well, that's easy to get it cleaned out again. I was just pulling a lot of that grass in with it. That is slick. I'm pulling in through a lot of grass. I should clean up my area a little bit better, but I'm doing this one-handed with my camera on the other, or in the other hand. It cleans itself. So that's pretty cool. Now I got some old wood over here that, let's go check and see how that, I mean, it's light as a feather almost. You know, but it feels like it's, you know, it's made well. Geez, you know, I've seen these, oh, for maybe a year or two now. Never thought I'd get one, or I'd wait till the price came down. But ooh, now I'm wishing I would have bought these earlier, because it seems pretty good. I got some different wood here. Now this one's a little bit too big, but that's a cedar or eastern cedar. Let's just try some older wood. Nice. It's a nice cut. You know, I might need to get more of these. At least maybe another battery so I can keep it going. But I suppose, you know, like I have a DeWalt chainsaw, and it seems like when that battery goes, it's a good time to quit or go do something else and just let everything kind of cool down. But you know, it's a little warm, but I mean, it's been working pretty hard. I don't know. I'm a fan, I guess you'd have to say. Well, I better end this here before I start cutting down all these trees, but I know, well, let's go over here. Morning glories are kicking up. I know I have some more mulberries that I need to trim down. I've planted mulberries here as a windbreak. Love them. They just worked out so great. We've been able to cut them each year and give the leaves and some of the twigs to the pigs. They're just awesome. But I've been having a lot of good luck with, and you can see here, with our hazelnuts. So I want to replace these with hazelnuts. But you can see that's a really nice stump that I just cleared out. You know, it's been about 4 or 5 years, I think, that we've been growing these, you know, coppicing them. And now I cut that one down, and I actually poisoned it with a herbicide to otherwise, you know, you won't be able to kill these things. They just keep coming back. And because I want to put hazelnuts in here next, and then we'll do our mulberry over on the other side of the property over there. But so I want to harvest these now before winter gets in and put the herbicide in so it soaks in nice. And then we can, oh man, that is butter. Look at that. Oh, that is butter. Let me get rid of this guy. phone's flipping out of my hand here. Normally I'd kind of clear these as I go, but since I'm doing it one-handed, oh, this is slick. Oh, that makes short work of it. Usually I'm in here with either a bill hook or my Falco 2 clippers. And they do a good job, but now that I got this down, you can see that we've been, oh, maybe you can't see, we've been coppicing this for a while, but I want to cut it off. Okay, hold on a second here. Nice. Oh, that is like 5 times easier than what I have been doing. Let me pull this out. All of our maters, and look how easy that was. That is slick. Ooh. Damn near dropped ya. That mulberry's really stringy, so if you get it caught there, it's not as easy as like a nice dried stick or blades of grass or whatever. Oh, guess you don't need my thumb there, huh? But what a nice cut. Very nice, very nice. Let's get this cleaned out. That is pretty slick. Oh man. Let's cut this other one while we're here, and then we'll wrap this up. I have all these things just laying around. Okay, here we go. Let's get down in here. Wondering what that garbage is. Get a lot of garbage that blows in. Boy, how slick is that? Well, this is a trooper. I mean, right out of the box, and I put it to work, and she is doing awesome. Can I get this one? I thought I didn't get through it. Oh, just about fell in my butt there. Nice. Well, now I got to do some cleanup, and Saker, if I'm mispronouncing the name, you'll have to forgive me, but what a great tool you provided. We will put this thing to the test, except we're not going to break it because we need it. This is, now that we've had this, oh, it'd be a shame to go without it. Nice. Well, hey, God bless y'all, and they have this for sale at on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. You can even get a purple one. I might have to get a purple one for my wife because I don't want her using mine. But cool. Well, I'm kind of like a kid at Christmas here. What do you think, Ola? You approve? Are you just looking at the morning glories? What do you think? He's got to inspect it, you know. What do you think, Pop? Or Kitty? Think he likes it. Okay. Thanks so much.